All right, the last two theorems we're going to look at are AAS. Remember, multiply it by 2. Be AAS, AAS. We're still going to have 4 angles, 2 sides. All right. And here, your known side has to be after 2 known angles. Hypotenuse leg, or HL, is the only one that's different. Extremely important. It can only be used with right triangles. H is hypotenuse, and then L is just a leg. What this says, if you know the hypotenuse of 2 triangles and they're congruent, and you know the leg length of 2 triangles that are congruent, then you can say the triangles are congruent by hypotenuse leg. So I'm going to do a couple examples. One, we know that we already said they were congruent by side angle side. Now I'm just going to look at number 2, and the rest of these, what I'm going to do is go through them all and see if we can't prove them congruent or not congruent. So number 2, again, side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, hypotenuse, leg. Remember, because these are touching, I have to know to be able to put that in there. This figure is going to change to like this. And then I'm going to put my marks accordingly in the same amount, right? If you need to, you can kind of hide what I like to do is hide one triangle altogether. All right, draw it, mark it, then hide it, and then draw the remaining or label the remaining. All right, so on this, I don't know all 6 sides. Whoops. So I know it's not side, side, side. I only know 2 sides. It's not right triangles because I don't have the right angle sign. The side that I know is in between 2 angles with congruent measures. So angle, side, angle. So congruent by angle, side, angle. All right, number 3, again, these are touching, so I have to know to put a mark here. Again, extremely important, when you're adding these marks, use a different amount, okay? Reason being is because you don't know the side that I just marked as being congruent to the other sides. All right. Again, I'm going to take these triangles apart. When I do, I know all 6 sides. I do not know any angles, so I'm going to get rid of them. I don't see right angles. From here, side, 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 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So I'm going to say congruent by side, side, side. All right, over here number 4, again, side, 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 angle, side, angle, side, angle, 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 side, hypotenuse leg. All right, I know 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, 2 sides. Because I don't know 4 sides, I'm getting rid of the ones that require more than that. This side I know is between 2 angles. I got rid of hypotenuse leg because I didn't have right triangles. So these are congruent by angle, side, angle. Number 6, I know I have that point, so I can say this. So I only know two sides, so I can't use this or this. It's a right triangle, so I could use hypotenuse leg. The known side is between two angles that have the same amount of marks. So I could say congruent by angle, side, angle. All right, I'm not doing angle, angle, side because the known side is not outside of the two angles. Hypotenuse leg, can I use it? Well, I would have to know the hypotenuse. Quick trick to always identify hypotenuse is to draw a diagonal through the right angle symbol, and it kind of makes an arrow. This is where the hypotenuse is. All right, so down here, draw a diagonal through there. Right angle symbol. This hypotenuse. So I only know information about one leg, not the hypotenuse. So it's only congruent by angle, side, angle. Number 9. Again, they touch at this point. That means these angles are congruent. Write my possible theorems. I only know 4 sides, and I only know 2 angles. I don't have right angles. So is the known angle this one between 2 sides? It is. Now I have to look and make sure my marks are the same, 3, 3, 2, 2. So it is also congruent by side, angle, side. Number 10, again, they're touching. Because they're touching and sharing a side, I'm going to make this mark. Again, I cannot do 2 marks because I already have 2 marks. I cannot do 3 because I only have 3. So 1, 4, 5. Me personally, the less amount of writing I can do, the better. Again, here's my theorems. The more you do these, you won't have to disconnect the triangles, but, you know, I still like to because it's easier for me to see my sides and angles. So I don't know anything about the angles. I don't see any right triangle marks. So it has to be side, side, side. If they're congruent, then I have 2 marks, 2 marks, 1 mark, 1 mark, 3 mark, 3 mark. So all of the marks are the same. So these are congruent by side, side, side.